Why I stopped using website to generate sales for my business? Is website really dead? Okay, so I'm going to share all of this with you in this video. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you increase your sales revenue and generates you unlimited leads for your business. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video like this, right? So again, if you are new to my channel, you can comment down below and let me know what are the topics that you want me to cover in the next video, and I will do my best, work with my team to come up with a video topics on the topic you put it in the comment section. Alright, when it comes to website, right, Mr. Kamin, do I need a website? Alright, my answer is it depends. Alright, so again, if you watch my previous videos, sometimes I mention website is dead, right? And you can see the headline or the video title is website is dead, right? But I can tell you this right now, website is still very effective, alright? But sales funnel is more effective, alright? If you watch my previous video, I did mention that I'm currently using sales funnel for my business, not using website anymore. But now things are changed, alright? I'm still using website, and I recently just created my website. And here's what I do, alright? I want you to think about this. A website is like a physical store. Someone, when they see a physical store, right, they visit the physical store. So this is very important to have a website, alright? If not, it's like someone went to a shopping mall, no one are interested in your product or service. Let's say you have a small booth, right? But what you need is you need a shop, you need a place, alright? So that people can go there and find you more. I want you to imagine your website is like a physical store, right? Someone can just go in and visit your website. So that's why my company, I'm still using website, alright? I'm thinking that physical store is still very important, alright? And what I want you to do is you need to have a website. And another reason why I stopped using a website is if you have a website right now, if you want to rank on Google for free using on-page or off-page SEO, right, it requires a lot of time, right? You need to write 1,000 words of articles every 2 to 3 weeks, or you need to do a lot of keyword research, alright, to rank above your competitor, unless you do Google AdWords, so that's a different story. But if you try to rank it organically without paid advertising, I can tell you it's very tough, right? So that's why I start to focusing more on sales funnel instead of having a website. So, and sales funnel, what we do is much easier, right? You don't need to have a SEO. If you do SEO, that's the bonuses, right? But most of the time, we don't need SEO. What we do is focusing on our copywriting, our messaging, our sales funnel, alright, and our traffic. That's it, alright? That's how we use sales funnel to get more leads. If you have a physical store, a website alone is not enough, alright? So just imagine this, you walk into a physical store, you saw that there are a lot of products in your company, right? So it's not enough. You need a salesperson to communicate with the person, right? Or you need a closer to help you close the sales, right? So let's say if you have a website, you have a physical store. When someone comes into your store, they confused. They are overwhelmed with so many products, so many information. What do? They left, right? So that's why you not just need a website, you also need a salesperson. Virtual salesperson, what I call is a sales funnel. So here's what I do, alright? So if you go to my website, alright, you can see there is a About Us page, home page, About Us page, and also our service page. And from our service page, what I do is I have different services, right? And those services, once they click on the services that they are looking for, they immediately send to a landing page or a sales funnel, right? So instead of just focusing on sales funnel, again, sales funnel, the purpose of sales funnel is to convert a visitor into a sales, right? So that's how I modify my website. So I have a website, and once people click on the products, I will bring them into my sales funnel, right? So from there, I will use my sales funnel to communicate and convert them into customer. So this is how I modify my website, alright? So if you have a website, you're still not using a sales funnel yet, I highly recommend you to adapt this method, alright? So change this, because the purpose of website is like a physical store, it's for someone to visit, and it's not designed to convert people or visitor into a sales, right? So that's why you need a sales funnel. You need to touch their pain point and convince them. Once they visit your website, they want to know whether is this for me or not, your service, your products, right? So if you have a sales funnel, someone can read through it, and if you touch their pain point, they might become your customer, right? So your job is to convert them to take small step and small commitment, right, until they become a customer, right? So this is very important. Now this is how I modify my website, and I use my website as more information. Alright, and I use the sales funnel to convert them into sales. Okay, let's talk about e-commerce, because I know some of my students and my clients are from e-commerce selling physical products. So what about physical products? So for physical products are different. Let's say if your store, your e-commerce site, you have sell hundreds of products, right? So what I do is I didn't send them to my e-commerce store. What I do is, if someone click on my ads, I send them to a sales funnel, right? I send them to a sales funnel. So unless they Google search, they might find the store, e-commerce store, right? If they click on my ads or whatever for my clients, they go to sales funnel, right? So for sales funnel, I usually sell bulk products because we want to make more sales from there. And at the end, on the thank you page, I will link them to my website. Grab this coupon code for 20% or 30% discount for your next purchase. And if you want to purchase, you can click this link. So they click on the link, we will send them to a website or e-commerce site, right? So this is some e-commerce business that I work with. I recommend them to do this. So for service business, coaches, consultants, chiropractor or dentists, beauty salons, whatever, I also do similar ways, alright? So if they go to Google search, they can find the website, right? But if they saw my ads, what I do is send them to a sales funnel first. Sales funnel is to neutral the relationship with someone who don't know who you are yet, right? So after that, slowly convert them into customer, and then we link them to the website. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you found this video is very helpful, what I want you to do is I want you to comment down below and let me know what are the parts that very helpful for you, alright? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, alright? So guys, take care and see you in the next video.